Hi again, sixth graders. I've been gone from you guys so long that my hair has grown out. Check this out. This is actually what my hair should normally look like. I've just decided, e-learning and we've been quarantined. I've just lost my mind and now my hair looks like this. Okay. Anywho, I'm going to help you guys out, continue learning a little bit more about Dynamite Part A. I'm going to start right here. Now, the tricky part about this thing is right here. You have all these black notes that you move along, and you move your buttons really, really fast, which is great because that's really, really fun. The problem is then when you get to the white note, you want to keep moving your buttons a whole lot, but you can't. You have to hold it out. So you have to hold this for 1, 2, 3 beats, and then finally on the 4th beat, that's when you get to change your button. So it's like this. 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4. You change on that 4th one. So when you play that, make sure you hold that out long enough. If you're practicing with the recording, you just change. You can hear if you do it right or not, because you'll change when that actually changes, okay? So that's the first thing that will make this difficult. All right, the other thing is you got to make sure that you do all the right slurs. So check this out. During this chunk, there's actually only one note that you don't tongue. All right, that slur is not optional. This very last thing right here, you have to do that slur. So you are not allowed to tongue that note. You must slur to it, all righty? So make sure that when you're practicing that don't cheat, don't be wimpy about that. Do all of the right tonguing, okay? Next part I want to help you out with is when you're playing along, this part right here looks really easy, actually, right here. But what will make it difficult is this is when you're trading off between the part B part. So it's going to be really neat. It's like, wave my hands in the air, wave my hands in the air. So this is like you guys, I'm playing part A. Wave my hands in the air, and then it trades to part B. Wave my hands in the air. Bum, 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 bum. And then you guys keep trading back and forth. So the tough part is actually going to be counting all of these rests. You're going to want to play in them. All right, but be careful. So it'll go like this. 1, 2, 3. 4, 1, 2, 3. All right, so make sure that you do those rests right. If you also heard me, I did those accents as well. All right, and then the final thing I want to help you out with is this ending. So the very last chorus, I made a little bit different than the the pre-chorus. I made a little bit different. So starting right here, in part A, last time, you were resting during this. What I've decided to do is I've shifted the parts, so you actually get to play this part. Sorry. Throw my hands up in the air sometimes. That's the part that you are playing right there. I think those are the lyrics. Okay, so when we get to this part, look at all the cool information that's in here. You have, first of all, just in this measure, you have an accent and you have the slur. What you might do a couple times on your own, just to make sure you're doing that right, is you just play those 4 notes over and over. Because it's really difficult to accent a note and then change buttons but not tongue. That's a really difficult thing. So throw my hands, and then when you go to the slur, you back off on the volume. See if you can hear me do that. Did you hear my 4th note was a little quieter? So you're going along. Bum, bum, ba, da. So there we go. It kind of looks like a little submarine, doesn't it? Here, make it look more like a submarine. These are like bubbles coming out of the submarine. There's a little propeller. Let's see if we can do a propeller. There you go. It's a little submarine. There you go. So make sure that that when you play this, throw my hands up, that it looks like a little submarine, okay? And then when you get to the part right after it, it's like that cool part that you played during the chorus, those really cool, fun, syncopated rhythms that are so danceable, the ones that people like. Remember, these are the parts that people like to actually like of the song, not the cool beats. All right, they're just dum, 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 dum of the song. It's the cool syncopations where your toe is hitting the ground, and then you're changing notes though with your toe in the air. It's hard to do two things at once. Sorry there. So the only time that my toe actually hit the ground was on this first note. The other times, my toe was still moving. On these two notes that I played, my toe was somewhere in the air, still moving. So make sure that you line up with that, and that'll make it sound really cool. So when we put it all together, I'm going to start here at measure 56. I'll do that again for you. Ready, go, 1. And if you notice too, I even played with a little bit of space on these notes right here. Bum, bum, bum. It's way more fun to play that way. And actually, I mean, I kind of feel like moving when I play it. It just makes you want to move like that. All right, cool. And then the last thing, I think I said that last time, and now I'm really mean it. The thing that makes this chunk between 56 and 64 so difficult is now it's different because you're switching off. This is the melody, and part B has the melody during this part. But what you have is the bass line. So your brain has to switch from going from the melody to a supporting part. So melody to the bass line. All right, and you'll find out more about this particular note when you actually learn about part B, because part B has this most of the time. But this note actually happens with your toe in the air. Bum, 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 bum. All right? So it's really tricky because you're going back and forth between the melody right here and the accompaniment. So it sounds like this. 3, 4. Wait. Melody, go. Hum. All right, anyway, sorry, I had some fun there. Okay, so that is the rest of the information that you need to play part A of Dynamite. Alrighty, so I hope you guys have fun practicing this song and playing this song. I think it's really cool because of these cool rhythms that you get to play. So have some fun with that. Cool thing about this lesson too is all you have to do is practice. You don't have to fill out any Google form. You can just practice. If you need some more help, watch this video again. Maybe that'll answer some questions. But if you still need more help, feel free to email me and maybe we can chat and I can help you out, hear you play a little bit and help you out with some stuff. Okay, so good luck to you guys. Happy e-learning to yous. Bye.